How much does it cost to replace an Apple Watch 3 screen? We have two options for you. Have Apple fix it under warranty or a repair shop to do the repair for you. The following prices apply if your Apple Watch needs repair or replacement and the issue isn't covered by Apple's limited warranty, consumer law, or AppleCare Plus. They also apply if your coverage has expired. $229 for Apple Watch Series 3 GPS aluminum and Apple Watch Series 3 Nike Plus GPS. $289 for Apple Watch Series 3 GPS Plus cellular aluminum and Apple Watch Series 3 Nike Plus GPS Plus cellular. $329 for Apple Watch Series 3 GPS Plus cellular stainless steel and Apple Watch Series 3 Hermes. $800 for Apple Watch Series 3 Edition ceramic. Apple's pricing is a bit steep, especially if your AppleCare already expired. Sydney CBD Repair Centre can help you with it. Let them repair your Apple Watch Series 3 screen for a much lower price. Have your Apple Watch screen repaired today. Call 8011 4119 or visit Sydney CBD Repair.